Every single one of our customers wants to do three things. They want to make better products, they want to sell more, and they want to generate greater profits. Digital technologies definitely have a role to play in that, but most of our customers struggle to understand how they can apply those technologies to help them achieve those results. So the Innovation Workshop is an experience that we've designed to take a group of customers from different industries through a process where we introduce them into 5 digital capabilities which will help them achieve those results.
The most valuable thing that I found today is the dialogue between myself and the other delegates. Standing there and talking to people, understanding their backgrounds and where their struggles lie, or maybe where they're having an issue, and then having a conversation with them and saying, well, have you thought about this? Or they're doing the exact same thing back to me, and having that open dialogue has been fantastic.
My reason for being here today is to learn about tools and methods for innovation. I'm currently involved in changing the structure of innovation development at my company, and I'm open to all ideas.
I think a lot of workshops are kind of sales-led. They don't give you the opportunity to ask the questions or get to know the other candidates. The networking is quite limited, but from 5 minutes in, you're straight talking to other people on the course.
The day is structured where we have a very short introduction. We introduce the customers to the digital strategy template and the 5 capabilities. Then we spend a decent amount of time exploring each capability one by one. We ask them what that capability means to them. We ask them if it's something that's impacting their industry. We ask them what it could enable them to do, and then we ask them why they're not able to do that today. The discussion is really insightful because we get to understand what these terminologies mean to a customer, and then we're in a better position to show them how they can actually overcome those challenges with some very short references and examples of solutions.
I think the digital strategy template is it's necessary nowadays. It's almost vital because companies don't work like they used to. Tech doesn't work like they used to, and it's about how we can adapt and evolve and progress from where we are now. And having a kind of a simple framework just to work from in order to try and make that an easier ride is perfect. It's exactly what we're looking for.